In this question, we have to determine the ratio of the determinant of Q0 to QC, where Q0 is the observability matrix and QC is a controllability matrix. A is given as 1 0 minus 2 minus 3. It is the state matrix. Similarly, B, the input matrix, is given as 1 and minus 1. The C is given as 1 1. Okay, C is the output matrix. Now we have to determine the controllability matrix and the observability matrix. The controllability matrix is given as B. Okay, B makes up for the first column of the controllability matrix, and since the order of the system is 2, we have only AB here. If it was 3, we would have A square B as the next column. Okay, now first we have to determine AB. So it is the product of A matrix and B matrix. 0 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 1, so that is equal to 1 1. So controllability matrix is equal to 1 minus 1, that is B, and then the next column is AB, which is 1 1. Now the determinant of the controllability matrix is equal to 2. The same procedure has to be adopted to determining the determinant of Q0. Now Q0 is a observability matrix. Its value can be determined by this. The first row is C and the second row is CA. Similarly here, if the order of the system is 3, then we would have an extra row CA square. So that is equal to minus 1 and minus 3, where minus 1 and minus 3 is the product of C and A. So the determinant of Q0 is equal to minus 2. So the ratio of determinant of observability matrix to the determinant of controllability matrix is equal to minus 1.